John works as a DBA for a large organization. He looks after a large hybrid SQL database environment, and he's stressed and overworked. His job is almost impossible, given the daily admin tasks he has in an environment this size. John has to standardize his company's hybrid on-premise and cloud environment based on organizational policy. Unfortunately, John does not have a MS SQL support team who can monitor and retry the change deployment constantly after hours to ensure it happens. He also urgently needs to query the in-store database of all the stores countrywide to search for a bug. It's going to take days to implement the fix across the entire environment, both on the database and the store application. He has been given the impossible task of enabling his organization with real-time notifications and real-time reporting from the point-of-sale system, with outlets in over 1,000 locations with varying unstable connectivity. To add to John's woes, auditors have asked for all information pertaining to the organization's MS SQL environment nationwide, and he fears this will take days to complete. John needs some help. His boss Ben decided to employ people to make John's life easier, but someone has altered the stored procedure and dropped a table. With all of this going on, no one noticed that the backups had failed for the last 4 days, until a critical hardware failure was experienced at one of the company's branches. John and his team are miserable, and their jobs are now on the line because the transactional data from the last 4 days is unrecoverable. John dreamed about contributing to things that really matter in his organization and making a real difference. Instead, John finds himself bogged down with day-to-day monotonous tasks, and his job satisfaction is dwindling. It's time for Conductor4SQL to come to the rescue. With Conductor4SQL, John applies his fixed script to the instances of his MS SQL environment, and within minutes, not days, John ensures that his environment is standardized. When the unavailable instances become available again, Conductor4SQL will ensure the changes happen and will report back, ensuring John a good night's sleep. John is now also able to get data from all locations easily, efficiently, and in time with DataSync, thus enabling the business with real-time data nationwide. For the first time, John feels like he's making a valuable contribution to his organization. With Conductor4SQL's built-in reports, John has all the information requested by the auditors at his fingertips. When someone in John's new team alters a stored procedure and dropped a table, he uses Conductor4SQL's auditing to determine who did it and when it happened. He takes immediate steps to ensure that it does not happen again. John really is a superhero. His organization has been synchronizing their critical data using Conductor4SQL's data synchronization. And with Conductor4SQL's reverse data synchronization technology, they are able to use the tool to recover all the lost business transactions up to seconds before the hardware failure. John, what a hero!